from sweet and spicy. We take a tour of global sampling mouth-watering dishes from every corner of the globe, from the spices of Japanese or Indian or other country. We deserve that food is not just about tasty but also about presentation. We marvel at the chefs as they transform simple ingredients, the ability art of food experience to new heights. Behind every great dish lies a journey from to table. We celebrate the hard work of farmers, fishermen, ingredients with care and dedication. Every bite is a true tasty of nature bound. We reflect on the joy of sharing food with loved ones, whether gathering around family dinner table or enjoying a meal with friends. Food has the power to bring people together, fostering connections and creating lasting memories. Journey comes to we remember greatness of food taste and ability, not only bodies, also our souls. From the first bite, the last food has the power, delight, inspire, and unit shared experience. Wow, wow, like wow, wow, tasty food. The world